In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox ping spikes in 2025. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually come to your desktop. And what you want to do is come down to your taskbar, click onto the search box and type Roblox Player. Underneath Best Match, you should now see Roblox Player. Right click onto your Roblox Player and then click onto Open File Location. And what it's going to do is open up a window like this. What you need to do is again right click onto Roblox Player and again come down and click onto Open File Location. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this. You should see the Roblox Player beta already highlighted. What you now want to do is right click and then on this menu come and click onto Properties. That's going to go ahead and open up the Roblox Player beta properties window. From here, if you come up to the top, you can see we've got these different tabs. What you want to do is click onto digital signatures. Then what you want to do in the embedded signatures section at the top is click onto the signature you see and then come down and click the details box underneath. That's going to open up a window like this, and from here you're going to see a button to view certificate. Give that a click, and on the certificate information screen come down and click the install certificate button. At this point, just go through the steps. So what you want to do is click onto next at the bottom, click next to automatically select the certificate, and then go ahead and click finish. As you can see, we're going to get a confirmation message saying the import was successful, and once you've done that, you should now no longer get ping spikes in Roblox. So you can just close this all down, launch Roblox, and you should now notice a smooth experience without any ping spikes. So that's how to fix Roblox ping spikes in 2025. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.